Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can insert a page header and footer into your PDF documents on SwifDoo Editor. So let us guide you through this. So navigate to your document here in the SwifDoo Editor. And then guys, what you want to do is click into the page tab here, right? So from here, navigate to header and footer. Select add headers and footers. And what you want to do first, guys, let me just click into cancel and then highlight these pages first so that we may know which pages we apply the header and footer to, and then click into this button and repeat the process. So here you may position the header in the top left, in the middle, or top right. I will go with header left and name it ABC for the sake of this tutorial. And we're going to place the footer in the middle. 1, 2, 3, for example. So it's not page numbers, but just the footer, right? Then you may format the text here, choose a text font, a font size, color, italic letters, bold letters, and so on and so forth. I'm going to leave it up to you, or it's up to you how to format this text. And then lastly, you may also customize the margin settings. Adjust, for example, the margin at the top or the position at the bottom, left, right, and you will see the preview here. Confirm by clicking into OK, and that is going to add, as you can see, these footers and headers. So let us take a look at it. And as you see, there's the header in the top left and the footer at the bottom. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.